Hey guys, it's Christina Daves with your Get Famous Friday PR tip. Today I want to talk about editorial calendars. So every publication has what's called an editorial calendar. And what that does is it helps the publication sell advertising because it tells the advertiser what they're going to be covering that month. What it does for us in terms of editorial content is it lets us know what the magazine or the publication is going to be covering that month. So you can strategically pitch your story based on the editorial calendar. Oh, I see in September you're covering X, Y, and Z, and then you pitch your story. So again, you're just making the journalist's life so much easier. And it's as simple as a Google search. Entrepreneur Magazine, editorial calendar, and the year. Really that easy. So I hope you guys will take advantage of that. Use it to your advantage to pitch the media what they want at that exact time. Again, I'm just trying to give you tips to make it easier for everybody and to have it so it's more likely that you're going to have success. If you like this tip and you want more, please join the PR Challenge, yourprchallenge.com. It's a 10-day challenge, super short videos. I take you step by step how to get visibility. It's 10 days long. You can do it. The people doing it who are taking action are having amazing success. So take the challenge and I'll see you in the media.